Hey Lincoln, are you searching for the perfect beginner music lessons for your child, but you're not sure what instrument they should play? Well, then swing on by Sunday, August 18th and let them try them all out. It's like a musical buffet without the calories. We're on a mission to change lives through music, one awesome kid at a time. So, join us for an open house on Sunday, August 18th from 3 to 5 p.m. This is a free event, and we love getting to know our future rock stars and their amazing parents. There will be free snacks, drinks, and a chance to win some super cool prizes in our musical scavenger hunt. Think of it like a treasure hunt, but with more guitars and fewer pirates. Bring your kids, bring their friends, and let's make it a buddy fest in music class. Plus, they could win a $50 prize pack from Marcus Theaters, Raising Cane's, Barnes & Noble, Target, and Amazon. We hope to see you there for a rockin' good time. Lincoln School of Music is located at 2788 South Street. Be there or be square. Let's make some noise and some unforgettable memories.